Smart contracts are self-executing programs stored on a blockchain. Once conditions are met, they run automatically, no middlemen needed. Imagine renting an apartment and getting the digital key only when payment hits the blockchain. No landlord approval needed. That's smart contracts in action. Smart contracts were popularized by Ethereum, which introduced programmable blockchain logic. It's what separates Ethereum from Bitcoin. They run on if this, then that logic. If a condition is true, the contract executes. It's tamper-proof, transparent, and trustless. From finance to real estate to games, smart contracts eliminate middlemen, cut costs, and speed up processes. In DeFi, smart contracts replace banks, automating lending, borrowing, and even insurance. Welcome to self-running finance. You can create smart contracts using programming languages like Solidity. Developers write logic and deploy it onto Ethereum or similar chains. Once deployed, smart contracts can't be changed, unless you build that into the code. This makes them secure but also risky if buggy. DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, run entirely on smart contracts. No CEOs, just code and votes. Smart contracts power NFT sales too, ensuring artists get royalties automatically each time art resells. Escrow services are another great use. Funds are held until both sides meet the terms, trust is coded in. But smart contracts aren't smart. They don't understand context, real-world info, or intent. They just execute logic. To connect real-world data, we use oracles, tools that feed external info into smart contracts, like price feeds or weather updates. Chainlink is one of the most used oracle networks. It helps smart contracts get real-time, verified data. Smart contract bugs can be costly. Millions have been lost to faulty code. That's why audits and testing are crucial. Upgradable contracts offer flexibility. You can update logic over time using proxy patterns, but that also adds complexity. Some chains like Solana or Avalanche also support smart contracts, with faster speeds and different fee models. Public blockchains allow anyone to see and verify contract code. This transparency builds trust, but also gives hackers insight. In gaming, smart contracts enable true asset ownership. Your sword or skin is yours, not the game company's. Insurance on blockchain? It exists. Smart contracts pay out automatically if conditions are met, no paperwork. Real estate deals via smart contracts cut out brokers and notaries. Faster, cheaper, and recorded on-chain. Legal recognition of smart contracts is growing. Countries are beginning to accept them as valid agreements. Smart contracts aren't just code. They're trust, speed, and innovation wrapped into blockchain logic. Learn to read, write, and interact with contracts. Tools like Remix, Etherscan, and Hardhat make it easier. The future runs on code that enforces itself. Understand smart contracts, and you unlock the full potential of the decentralized world.